Now here at Baitworks, we like to produce the perfect matching boilie pellet. We've invested heavily back into machinery here with extrusion and particularly the pellet dies to make sure we've got complete control over every aspect of how we make the pellets. We can control breakdown time, we control consistency, texture, everything, you name it, we can do that. So we've taken key components of the Atlantic Heat base mix. This includes the spice, the fish meal combination, as well as the legendary hot fish oil that goes in to make up our boilies. And we've taken out some of the more expensive binder systems that we don't need, be that your egg products, for example. This makes sure the pellets come in at a nice price point for our customers, and it doesn't mean we have to charge £8–9 a kilo for them. The pellets will break down between 6 and 8 hours depending on water temperature, and the very clever thing about them is to not only incorporate floating food signals that rise up through the water column, but also we incorporate sinking food signals, and these are incredibly important because they will stain the bottom of the lake bed over gravel, silt, weed, you name it, whatever you're fishing over. These pellets will leach out and leach that food signal down in around the sediment. And this has a massively important benefit. When the fish come in and they're looking for that food source, the pellets, which will by then be almost like a dust, will spiral up into nothing, and they'll be searching for a food signal that is impregnated into the bottom. Now, if you've got your hook baits in the vicinity, that's where we find you can fish 10–20 baits over a kilo of pellets, loads and loads of attraction from the pellet, no solid food items. The fish come in, 10 baits, thank you very much, puts a fish on the bank. So it's a great way of getting loads and loads of liquids and attraction into your baited area. Now we recommend an 8-month shelf life on the pellets, and if you keep them in a cool, dark place, then they will be perfect for that time. If you're using them between sessions, we've got a snap seal shut on the top of the bags. You can use pellets and then you basically expel the air out of the bag much as you can, seal it up, and then they're good to go for your next session. The key is not to let moisture back into those pellets because that'll start the breakdown or the bacteria process. So there you have it, the matching pellets for your boilies, perfect in these bags, going to catch you a lot of fish, I'm sure.